Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Yes, it looks like the crypto spot ETFs are coming because Solana, Litecoin, and Hedera ETFs to begin trading this week. I also would like to talk about the fact that Revolut secures MiCA license, which is important for Hungarians, for example, where I'm from, because they were suffering recently with Revolut and their crypto on Revolut as Revolut didn't have the MiCA license. Also, let's talk about that US lawmaker seeks to stop Trump family from crypto and stock trading. Let's see how it's going to work out. And yes, tomorrow we're going to have the FOMC meeting. A lot of things in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchainbloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So first, let's start with the prices. So Bitcoin is at $114,421 US, about 0.5% down. So again, not moving, kind of stable. Ethereum, it's 4,124 US dollar, 1% down. The top gainer is HBAR because probably of the ETF, 14% up. Trump token 12% up. Pump Fund 8% in the top 100. Then the losers, we have Humidity Protocol down 8%, DAXI 8% down, and Zk is 7% down. Again, rather sideway moves than big breakouts here. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, as you can see, for a couple of days here in the daily we went up, and then yesterday we started to go even higher, but then we were rejected. Today it's another try. The market is still waiting what Jerome Powell going to say tomorrow, for example, the 29th of October after the FOMC meeting, and a couple of other things. That's why it's a bit kind of undecided. However, finally, it looks like that some of the spot crypto ETFs getting green light. And yes, finally, because of the government shutdown, these things were also postponed. But now it looks like the Solana, Litecoin, and Hedera ETFs begin to trading this week. So not just one, but actually multiple. 4 altcoin tracking ETFs are set to begin trading in the US this week. Canary Capital's Litecoin Hedera funds will be listed alongside Bitwise and Grayscale Solana funds. And the debut fellow's successful Bitcoin, as originally in 2024, in January, Bitcoin spot ETF started in the same year, so basically last year in summer, Ethereum spot ETF, and now here we are, the new one. So basically, we're going to have here today, on Tuesday, Bitwise, Solana, Canary, Litecoin, and Canary HBAR to launch, and Grayscale Solana a day after. So basically, tomorrow is going to happen. And this it's very, very important because the Solana one, the Bitwise, it's a staking ETF, for example. And these things are game changers because in long term, it means that institutional investors can really effectively invest through ETFs into these kind of altcoins, and more probably coming up. What is interesting that we haven't seen Solana break out because of this news. We see today a little bit HBAR going up, but not major. So I still believe that the market is waiting for more confirmation which direction we are going. But anyway, in long term, that's a major thing. Also, we have Revolut secures MiCA license. So we have finally Revolut having MiCA license, and probably for those of you who are in other countries, not in Hungary, it's not a big issue, but I have to say that in Hungary, many people have Revolut accounts, and when in the 1st of July, some new and more strict crypto regulations were introduced. Revolut, in a couple of days, just decided to freeze the crypto accounts of Hungarian customers. And because of this, after a while, then they opened that they can send out a certain amount, but not all cryptocurrencies. So, for example, HBAR, they couldn't do it. Bitcoin, they could. And also, there was, I don't know now, a monthly limit. So if you had kind of a lot of crypto on the Revolut, then it stuck there and you weren't allowed to trade. Exchange it to fiat or something. You have to keep it like this in that cryptocurrency where it was. And now, because they're getting the MiCA license, there will be 280 tokens across Europe. The company plans to launch Crypto 2.0 and some other things also coming up. At least for some customers, they probably can then exchange finally their funds and get profit and not just holding it there. So it was a very, very interesting situation. So for not many countries probably, but here in Hungary, this was a big issue. All right, and also tomorrow we have the next FOMC meeting. That's right. So this is what we're waiting for a while. This is what the market is waiting, and not just the rate cut, because right now, as you can see, we have almost 98% chance for a 25 basis point rate cut. So pretty much it's happening. The question is now, what is Jerome Powell saying at the press conference? Is he saying really now QT is ending? Because this is what they kind of were talking about before, that we're getting towards the end of QT. And when actually then QE going to start, how it will happen. So lot of information which could have an impact on the market coming out probably tomorrow. And yeah. And one more thing, US lawmaker seeks to stop Trump family from crypto and stock trading. So some had enough that, people who are close to the fire can do tradings. And US Representative Ro Khanna is looking to introduce a bill to restrict all elected officials from trading stock and crypto, citing conflicts of interest. I don't know. They can do this or not. We're going to see it. Nancy Pelosi, if you just think about her, she should be a genius when it comes to stock trading, as her performance history shows, or not. So there are interesting things, and we do know that the Trump family is deeply into crypto. Now we see these interesting moves on the market. So yeah, let's see which way we're going. Probably they definitely don't want this. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.